वरून आनी 5-6 म्हयन्यांनी एसेंब्ली इलेक्शन्स आसा आनी ह्या दिसांनी आमी पळयलां की वरनाचे सोशल एक्टिविटीज जावं वरनाचें काम जावं यू हॅव बीन सीन मच इन बेनावली. इज वॉरन कॉन्टेस्टिंग?
100%. First of all, good afternoon. Yeah, I am, as you asked me, I am definitely 100% contesting. Uh, my work is going on since 2022. Elections got over. Counting झाले दुसऱ्या दिवसानं हे काम चालू. I'm on ground now for the last 4.5 years. So no one, if on anyone's door I go and knock to ask for a vote, no one will not recognize me and no one will question me.
सगळ्यांक खबर आसा वॉरन कसो काम करता, वॉरन कितें करता पळय तो सोशल एक्टिविटीज आसलो. तुवें कित्याक चिंतलां बाबा हे फावट डेफिनेटली आपुणूय कॉन्टेस्ट कोत्तालो म्हण कितेंय जावं?
See, I've been on ground, no, behind the curtains for almost now 15, 20 years. I've been there. I'm working. I've done for my uncles. I've been the general secretary of Damodar College also, higher secondary. So on ground, I'm there throughout, and the youth especially are supporting me and are like, we want our voice to be heard, voice of the youth. So their encouragement, it motivates me to work more harder towards the upliftment of our youth in terms of jobs, especially unemployment is a huge factor. So that they are motivating me and they are encouraging me, Warren, you have to contest, come what may. So I have the support.
कॉन्टेस्ट कोत्ता म्हणटा तूं, सपोर्ट आहा म्हणटा तूं, आतां दुसरें येयलें म्हणटा ती पार्टी.
Right.
खंयची पार्टी?
See, I have I think it was on February 9th, I have put in an official letter from my side to the Indian National Congress that I want to join. I've still not got any feedback from them, but this is so that the people of Benalim constituency and Goa also know my inclination, which side I am inclined to. For Captain Viryat's elections, Member of Parliament, I worked for Captain Viryat. He himself can guarantee on that word of mine. I worked even for the ZP elections. My entire team worked for the ZP elections for Congress. So first preference is always Congress.
If not, then
No, while think negative, let's be positive. Who other than Warren? There's nobody else. There's no option. There's nobody else other than Warren who can hoist the Congress flag after 25 years in Benalim.
बिकॉज देज अ काँग्रेस ब्लॉक ऑल्सो तेंचो झेडपी जिखोन येयलेलो आसा.
ZP काम जिकोईल मरे.
That's
My
what
team has worked hard. I have worked hard. You ask the ZP by Louisa. You ask her if Warren has not worked for her. You ask the block if Warren's team has not worked. I have 5 panchayats right now with me.
So then why is the delay in joining?
That question you have to ask them. I cannot answer that. I have utmost respect for the National Party and I leave that up to them.
You set a deadline?
No, deadline no, but I have spoken to whoever respected chair I have to speak to. I have spoken to them and I've met whoever I had to meet. Everyone in Benalim constituency knows that Warren is not only contesting, but Warren is the next MLA of Benalim.
Already they know.
People know. I am working tremendously. Even on a Sunday, today also I am working. There's such a huge water problem in Benalim constituency. पयल आमदार नाल्लो तेदो तो बुडकूल फोटालो उदो मेळना म्हणून. पूण आमकां तेश कोन्न सोशल मिडियाचेर करूं जायना बुडकूल फोटोवपा वी कांट ब्रेक ऑल. बट वॉटर इज अ ह्यूज प्रॉब्लम हियर इन बेनालिम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. बिग क्रायसीस. देर इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ रोड्स. नाव तूं आनी एसोन मडगांव वच तूं, you saw the दोनी सायडी they are digging every pre-monsoon. They are digging roads.
समजूंक शकता की तूं वेंदीच्या अगेन्स्ट कॉन्टेस्ट कोत्तालो बिकॉज इज अ सिटींग एमएलए. एके सायडच्यान दुसऱ्या सायडच्यान चचली म्हणटा आपुणूय कॉन्टेस्ट कोत्तालो मागीर कितें?
See, everyone, the beauty of our country is that we live in a democratic country. That's the beauty. That's why we can breathe fresh air. That's the beauty. We don't have to pay. Everyone has the right to contest. Everyone.
एवरीवन तें बरें जालें पूण हे तुमी गोंयचेच न्हू.
Whoever is contesting, I have nothing but to wish them all the best.
So you want to wish your own uncle?
I want to wish everyone. I'm being very honest. I'm going to contest in a good spirit. Elections should be celebrated. It's a festival of celebration of democracy. We have to celebrate
सो
it.
फाल्यां चर्चील देखून बसलो जाल्यार तूं
Everyone can contest. I am contesting 100%.
एके सायडीच्यान चर्चील बसतो दुसरे सायडीच्यान टिकेट दितलो जाल्यार यू हॅव टू स्पीक तुमचे लिडर आसा ते तुमचोच सोयरे म्हणल्यार ताका तेन्ना तिंगा कितें
No,
मागीर
see, it's a national party. They will take the decision. They will do the survey. सर्वेचे कोणे हुंयचे कोणेक सर्वे काडीन आयज बाणाले द रिजल्ट एवरीवन
पूण
नोज
युरी कडेन उलोवंक ना उलयलो तूं इंट्रस्ट
I
दाखोवंक
see whoever I've spoken to, that's something very private as of now. I'll
ना
keep
ना
it private.
दॅट आय डोंट वॉन्ट यू
But,
टू रिलेट
yeah.
तूं कितें उलयला
No, I have
Because
met,
finally,
I have met all. Let
he
me
has
put it-
been made a
Yeah.
campaign in charge.
Let me put it this way. I
Chairperson.
have made it. I have spoken to the concerned people. Whoever I had to speak to, I have spoken. I am hoping and praying that the answer will be positive towards me, because if suppose the Congress flag has to be hoisted in Benolim, only I can hoist it, because I have the support of the youth, I have the support of the women, I have the support of the elderly, I have the support of the farmers. I have done full pre-monsoon work, which the government and the MLA has to do. That pre-monsoon work I have done today. सगळे शेतां गायऱ्या काम हांवें केलें. Nalla works are going on. Who's removing the first person to speak up against reversal was me. This was 3 years back regarding one illegal scrapyard which is next to the
But whatever
this-
it is, there Warren, you have done social work to karta.
yeah.
But if you have to get a Congress ticket, one side the opponent is there, one Alema. Second side, if you have to get the ticket, Yuri Alema, leader of opposition, campaign in charge of campaign.
No, I think,
so how would you see
I
that?
think Yuri he's a first time MLA, but he's a very seasonal MLA. He has proven himself in the assembly. He doesn't look like a first time MLA. He's carried the LOP office very well.
Good that you appreciate your own family member.
No, I always
experience.
appreciate. I always appreciate. If someone's doing good, you have to appreciate. I think Yuri and the Congress party will take a decision, not thinking about a brother, a cousin brother, or about anyone. They'll think about the party first, which they should. If I was in his place, even I would think about the party first. And if you take the party removes a surveyor, there's only one option.
But this enmity
Yeah.
doesn't create an issue.
Enmity of whose?
म्हणजे इंचान सान तिनचान तिनचान सान
See, there's no enmity. That
पण
word
तूं
is wrong. What you're saying?
ना ना पूण म्हणून देखून
Oy.
सगळ्यांक तें सजमता बाबा व्हरून एका पयसा तेका पयसा
ना,
ते
ना.
प्रॉब्लेम जायना तुज्या
ना,
एका
ना,
टिकेटीक जावं वो तुज्या
See,
कॅन्डिडेटच्या
I'm a very positive person. I'm telling you, I get up at 5:30 in the morning every day. I'm positive. Now from morning I'm up. You met me below my house now. I'm working on a Sunday also. So I'm taking it positively. The Congress leaders in Goa, whoever panchayat they've spoken to, the panchayat people also have given them one answer. Tomorrow you tell me to come with all the panchayats, the main panchayats, like 5 panchayats I can tell you are right now, as of today, are working with me. House to house we are working. House to house. So I can, whenever I join the Congress party, which I will, I know I will join, which will happen soon by God's grace. I will join in a huge way. I will join with at least a minimum of at least 400 to 500 people.
What happened
mass joining it
what
will
happened to your relationship with Goa forward?
I always have highest regard for Vijay sir. I said Vijay Bab is a vocal MLA. There's no sadness. I wished him on his birthday also. It's good. Relation is very good.
आणि आता लास्ट म्हणत जाल्यार वेन यू टॉक अबाउट बेनावली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इट इज नॉट ओनली वन देर आर एन नंबर ऑफ कॅन्डिडेटचेर येवपाचे म्हणून लागीं पावता पावता सगळें गमतलें
सारकें.
सो वे डू यू सी योर सेल्फ इन
See,
दॅट
people
Race.
of Benaulim, the residents of Benaulim constituency know who's coming just before election and who's been working for the last 4.5 years. I'm working last 4.5 years on ground. I've seen what the difficulties of the people of Benaulim constituency are. We have more than 7-8 5-star hotels. I can take you to each and every 5-star hotel and tell you I have records, data, which 5-star hotel has given a high post for a Goan. It's very zero.
सो सगल्यो पांचूय पंचायती तुकोडे हांव म्हणटा जाल्यार डिक्सनूय बसोंक सोदता मरे
Yeah, Dixon will support me. I'm telling you, no. Dixon is my good friend.
मग तो कित्याक बसोंक सोदता
Both, see, everyone can
दाखवता
sit. I'm telling you, no, everyone has the right to sit. You can't stop anyone. But Dixon at the end will support Warren.
रोलंडूय हा
Roland, 100%. I'm telling you openly, See, I'm not the guy to hide.
Yeah.
Benalim Panchayat is with Warren today, working on ground, house to house. I have full pre-monsoon work I did with Benalim Panchayat, with Varka Panchayat. I have your Karmona Panchayat. Dixon has ambition to contest, which I fully respect. But if there's any work that Dixon needs my help, or I have any work that I need Dixon help, he'll help me.
पूण फाल्यां डिक्सनान सांगलें आपूण बसोंक सोदता म्हणल्यार मागीर जातलें.
No, then he is free to contest. No,
But you will
he-
still go on.
I will go on. I've gone on. Orlim Panchayat, Simon. You talk in that fact. Even Kolwa, maybe right now the Panchayat is not openly showing, but I'm telling you, the Kolwa Panchayat before elections also will support. Like many members over there will come openly to support me. I'm telling you.
So at the end
Even
of the
Sarauli go for that sake.
so at the end of the
Yeah.
day, as we wind up, what will be your message to your Benali voters when you say that in another few days' time it will be decided
Yeah.
joining Congress and all? What-
See, my message to my beloved people of Benalim, we Moga Lokak, lot of people will come to divide us. Lots. आणि जाय जावपा इलेक्शन येता म्हळ्यार जाय त्यो आवाज जावपा. People of Benalim should know who's coming right at the end and कोण पयलोसो ना तो तेमचे बारा. First point. Secondly, people of Benalim should see what has happened in the last 4.5 years. There's only been social media development and there's been development of builder lobbies. In the last 4.5 years, Kenzil Bab ki zala no banale is what happens in your Kalangut and all. So many high-rise
So
buildings
फाल्यां
are
तूं
come,
जिखलो जाल्यार तूं
destruction.
फाल्यां तूं जिखलो जाल्यार हें करूंक दिवचा ना म्हणटा तूं.
100%. We will not allow this sand dune destruction जाता थिंग रिवर्स साला कोडे तें चोय मरे पल्ली आयज एकल्यान व्हिडिओ घायला कोण जॉन म्हणटा तेणे रिवर्साल ऑन द बँक्स थिंग मरे बिस्ते कॉस्मेटीक आय लव रिवर्साल म्हूण कॉस्मेटीक एक हें घायला थिंगा मेकअप घायला एमएलएन पूण थिंग तूं पांय घायला तुगे पांय कुसतलो. There's problems of water shortage, road. Now you're going to go back to Panjim. Take that road. Both the sides, there's one lady called Francisca. I'm telling you the name. She's from Benalim Peda. 7 days back, she fell down in that next to that road with those debris. She slipped and she fell. Her husband is abroad. She's got a 5-year-old or 6-year-old daughter who she's just put to school. She can't even take her daughter to school. I visited her house the other day with the punch, Lina. So much difficulties are going on. Farmers, शेतकाराले कितले difficulty आहे.
So anyhow, Warren is there then.
I am 100% contesting.
No turning back.
I am not contesting for anything but for a simple reason. Development has to be only sustainable. Secondly, our youth today don't have an option for employment here. We have so many 5-star hotels. What's the use? Only Banala constituency 5-star आहे म्हणटा पूण आमगे लोक आहात हितून ना. I will make sure each and every 5-star hotel gives first priority to the youngsters of Benalim. That should be this.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks
thank
for
you.
that.